Sight word it by ESLkidsworld.com. It. It is a kettle. It is an oven. It is a toaster. It is a fridge. It is a blender. Let's review. What is it? It is a kettle. What is it? It is a blender. What is it? It is a toaster. What is it? It is a fridge. What is it? It is an oven. For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.